If you are choosing shimmering lights as a go-to maintenance regimen for your gray hair, stop it. Stop the madness. What's up, guys? It's your girl Sharon. We're going to go to school today, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why you should not be using Shimmering Lights shampoo and or conditioner as your regular maintenance treatment for your gray hair. So in my Grown Girls Go Gray community, as well as my YouTube community, I see women talk about the regimen that they have for their gray hair, like the type of products that you use, you know, your shampoos that you use, your conditioners, your oils, your gels. And I noticed that a lot of women are using Shimmering Lights as a go-to regimen, meaning that you're using it every time you shampoo. And then you say that your hair is completely dry, regardless if you're at the sink or at the shampoo bowl or in the shower. Your experience with shampooing your hair should be like a spa experience, a spa bath for your hair. And you're definitely not gonna get that spa feeling when you're using Shimmering Lights. We don't need that scrub down with our hair. We want our hair to be cleansed, not scrubbed. The first reason why you should not be using Shimmering Light as your go-to regimen to create that spa experience with your gray hair, it's number one, because it's not sulfate free. So when I decided to do this video, I said, let me just look up Shimmering Lights ingredients, because I'm going to put this up on the screen so you can see it. When you're using shampoos, the first ingredient in any shampoo is going to be water, and then the second ingredient is going to be some type of sodium lauryl sulfate. So if you look with me on this list that's scrolling, the second ingredient says sodium lauryl sulfate as well. It has ratings beside some of the ingredients, and if you notice, the second lauryl sulfate that's actually listed has icky beside it. Now I wonder why it has icky beside it. The reason why, it tells you at the very bottom, it says sodium lauryl sulfate is a cleansing agent known for being too good at the job. Okay, now when they say too good at the job, that means it is stripping your hair of the moisture that your hair has in it. Too much cleansing. Now let's get back to it. It says, and potentially irritating the skin, but on the positive side, it says it's positive. It can produce copious, creamy, and luxurious foam compared to more gentle and thus nowadays much more commonly used sodium lauryl sulfate. It's going to give you creamy and luxurious foam at the same time that is stripping your hair of all the oils and moisturizers. I don't think that sounds too good. Let's go back to the top. It also has another cleansing agent in it. So it has all these different cleansing agents. Okay, you have the perfuming. It says icky as well. My most important thing is what the cleansing agents and or the detergents are doing to your hair. So let's look at the salicylic acid. Now, I don't know if you know what salicylic acid is. A lot of times when people get facials, they have those type of treatments, salicylic acid treatments. And in here it says salicylic acid is an exfoliant, which just like I said, it treats your skin if you need that particular treatment when you're getting a facial. It's anti-acne. It says it's soothing, and it says it's a preservative. So it says it's one of the gold standard ingredients for treating problem skin. It can exfoliate skin both on the surface and in the pores. It's a potent inflammatory agent. So just think about what that is doing to your hair. So all of these ingredients are drying your hair out, especially if you're shampooing once a week. And then some people said they shampoo twice a week. You don't need to be shampooing your hair once a week unless you are using a lot of gels to maintain your curls, to enhance your curls, creams and moisturizers to, you know, do some type of twist set on your hair or some type of wash and go. If you are using Shimmering Lights in your regular regimen, you are exposing your hair to so much dryness. So any great shampoo is gonna have some type of cleansing agent in it. And you wanna stick to the sulfate-free shampoos that are on the market. Now, I'm not telling you or selling you on any product, but I can recommend the products that I love to use with my hair and my clients. Great shampoos on the market, like I said, are gonna have cleansing agents, but you wanna choose those that are sulfate free. And another benefit that they're gonna have is a lot more emollients. I always have issues pronouncing that word. In the ingredients, which contains a lot of different oils. Now, the purpose of these oils is to kind of combat the the cleansing agents that you have in the shampoo to cleanse the hair. And I like to say cleanse the hair and not scrub and clean the hair. You want the hair clean, but you don't want it to the point where it's drying out your hair. So these extra added oils are gonna keep the hair moisturized. And adding moisture should be one of the main objectives when you're actually shampooing your hair. So you don't want to wait until you get to the conditioner to moisturize your hair. So that's another reason why you don't want to use Shimmering Lights as a regular maintenance product for your gray hair. It's just extremely creating the extra added dryness that you don't need for this already wiry gray hair. So number 2, get familiar with your ingredients. Just look up the ingredients of a particular product, just like I did with the Shimmering Lights. I have not used the product since I first got into the industry because I felt like it was really drying the hair. And I didn't have a lot of gray hair clients at the time, but the ones that I tried to use it on, I only used it for a certain reason. Like if they had gray hair and they were getting a relaxer, I would use it after neutralizing the hair, but I wouldn't really shampoo the hair. I would just kind of, emulsify the hair, get it on the hair, let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse. So it wouldn't be really drying on the hair because it's not a regular regimen. I was just using it for a purpose to remove any yellowing and brassy tones in the hair after the relaxer. So getting familiar with your products, use Google, study girl, make sure you know what you're using on your hair. And pretty much the last thing I want to say in this video is that you really don't need a purple shampoo. Now I have a purple shampoo that I use, which is by AG Hair. And then they have the purple mask. And to be honest, I really just use the purple mask when necessary. If you are using Shimmering Lights to take out the yellow, the brassiness, the dullness out of your gray hair, you really only need to use the AG Hair Mask or any other conditioner that will create the same effect on your hair as far as removing any dullness or any yellowing in your hair. I really don't purchase the AG Hair shampoo a lot. I have it for so many reasons, if they need the whole treatment, the shampoo and the conditioner, but both the shampoo and the conditioner in that particular line is very moisturizing. You are looking for an amazing product to remove any yellowing and remove any dullness from your gray and silver hair, then try our purple mask. I'll leave the link to purchase in the description section below. If you aren't relaxed, I would recommend using the AG Hair Purple Mask like every 2 to 3 months. Your hair should not be yellowing and dulling out that much if you're using a great shampoo and conditioner. But if you are relaxed, you might want to use it a little bit more often. Say like every time you relax, just to leave it in for a few minutes like I did in this video right here. And the biggest reason why I say the purple Shimmering Lights shampoo and conditioner as used in all your regimens, if used too often, you're going to eventually start seeing a purple cast. Ultimately, do not use the Shimmering Lights as your regimen for your maintenance on your silver and or gray hair. If you want to learn more about the purple hair mask, there are several videos on our channel that you can feel free to watch, and I will leave them in the description section below. I hope that this video gave you the clarity and the understanding as to why Shimmering Lights should not be used in your regular maintenance routine for your silver and gray hair. If you have any questions, comment down below if this had been a regular product that you're using for your hair and what changes you're gonna make from this point forward. So until the next time, guys, take care. Peace. Go gray, be chic.